Hello traders, welcome to ForexLia. Today I'm going to share best Forex price action strategy. But first we open CAD JPY in H4 time frame. So now this strategy we need two indicators. First, Parabolic SAR with default setting. And second, 20-period EMA. If market above 20-period EMA with parabolic indicator signal buy position, then we take buy trade. Now here is indicator buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market below 20-period EMA with parabolic indicator signal sell position, then we take sell trade. Now here is indicator sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my Forex strategy, please like and share video. Subscribe to ForexLia channel.